Hey guys, Stephen Kelly here, the little lion man, as they call me. I'm out on my morning look for the cats, and that's a good feeling because of the rain. I've got some nice, beautiful tracks. How's that? Tracks all the way up the road. So he's heading the other way. As you can see here, looks like there's a couple of lions here because I'm seeing different sizes. So it's definitely a big male here, and I see some females behind him. So we're going to go do a little U-turn here. We're heading in the opposite direction. So I'm going to quickly concentrate on the road, and if I find them... hang on. I think I found them. No, am I wrong? So guys, if you'd like to get up and close with my favorite animal, the Pantera Leo, the king of the jungle, I've got this beautiful lioness literally eating an impala's head. I'll show you now. Here's my hand. There she is. Hello, hello.